There's only one genuine certified Star-Lord, and you're looking at him.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Your idealism refreshes the battered old soul. Astral projection makes me feel old. Time to heal.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Sounds easy. Which means it's probably not, right?
Oh, sweet
You're about
moves,
to
right?
find out.
We've got trouble.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
I've always wanted my own mission.
Then you better stop talking and start fighting. Mission area is yours.
Mine? Really? Does that mean I can start redecorating it now?
Oh, you shut it. The battle isn't over yet.
Bless me, so
Right at ya!
My guard's down.
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
No stopping the Star-Lord. Oh, thought you had me.
I got what you need.
Enemy in front of us.
Oh, sweet moves, right?
Shields up.
Eat elements, jerks!
You were always outmatched.
I found a family out here in space,
Milk,
and I'll do
eggs,
whatever it takes to keep them safe.
What am I forgetting? Oh, right! Grenades! Silly me. Oh, and pickles.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
So you just wave those jacked up hands of yours around and, poof?
My spells require very precise hand motions to cast correctly.
Oh, I've got some signature hand motions. But showing you would ruin our rating. Milk.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Sounds easy. Which means it's probably not, right?
You're about to find out. I flag the area to attack.
So easy.
Unicorn, I choose you!
Much better. Invisible?
Tandy needs help.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
I've always wanted my own mission area.
Then you better stop. The mission area is yours.
Yay!
Double
Another one
kill.
bites the dust!
I am wounded. Who will help? Squirrel. Everybody
No
needs a
stopping
hand.
the Star-Lord!
Or a dagger.
Kunlun has lost its protection.
Oh, sweet moves, right?
They look like they mean business. What am I doing? Invisible? Lights on.
You're on my radar. That's
No
much better.
stopping the Star-Lord!
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
One blast off!
We can always count on you, Spidey. You needed to turn him out.
Oh, thought you had me! Oh, that's the stuff!
The area's almost yours.
Coming right at ya!
Maximum punch!
Can't keep me down for long.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Control lost.
Oh, did you see that? I was looking for one of these. Oh, sweet moves, right?
Shields up.
Beholds the God of Thunder!
Sure, those are bad.
Just what the doctor ordered.
Disappear!
You get a web, and you get a web, and you get a web! Let's pop back in. Come on, time! Darkness, help!
They've got us outnumbered.
Your team's capture progress is past the halfway point.
Oh, sweet moves, right? Just what the doctor ordered.
Welcome to the Dark Force dimension.